Good morning students. In this video I am taking exercise 5.2 and in exercise 5.2 we will find general term of an AP and it is represented by AN. Now what is the formula to find general term is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now what do you mean by general term? AN, it means the term which is at nth place. Nth place of given series. A means first term, N means number of terms, and D means a common difference. Now come to your exercise, question number 1, first part. A is given 7, A is 7, B is 3, N is 8. Then find AN. It means here AN means N here is 8, so we will find the term which is at 8th place. It means A8 is equal to A plus 8 minus 1, A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? Now what is A here? A is 7. B is 8 minus 1 7, D is 3, so it is 7 plus 21, it is equal to 28. So the term which is at 8th place, it is 28. Now come to first question, fourth part. See here A is given minus 18.9. D is 2.5. We need to know the value of N, and AN is given 3.6. So we will use formula, general formula to find N term, A plus N minus 1 into D. Here AN is 3.6. A is here minus 18.9 plus N we don't know, we need to know here D is 2.5. So 3.6, it is minus 18.9, on right hand side it will become plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. It will become 22.5 is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. Now this 22.5 can be written as 225 by 10. I am making your calculation here easier. This 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. 225 by 10. This 25 by 10 is multiplying here on left hand side. When it will multiply, we will take reciprocal of it. 10 and 10 cancel, 25, 9 is equal to 25. So here 9 is equal to N minus 1, N is equal to N plus 1. It means here N, number of terms are here 10. Right? Then come to question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify your answer. 30th term of this AP. Here an AP is given. We need to know here 30th term of it. See here what is A? It is 10. B is A2 minus A1 is 7 minus 10 minus 3, and here what we need to know, A30, the term which is at 30th place. So it is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D. A is here 10, 30 minus 1 29, D is minus 3, 10 minus 87, it is minus 77. So the term which is at 30th place, it is minus 77. So option C is your answer. C minus 77 is the answer. Now I am taking two parts of question number 3. First one is 2. This missing term is here, then 26. Question is, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. See, it is first term. I can write it as A is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3. 26 is the third term. So write it as A3 is equal to 26. Now what's the formula to find nth term? Here we have third term. So third term is A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 26. Then A plus 2D is equal to 26. A is here 2, so we can place this value here. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 by 2. It is equal to 12. Now this term is, missing term is at second place. It means we will find here second term of this AP. A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. It is A plus 1D, or I can write it as A plus D. So A is 2, D is 12. So second term is 14. So you can place it here. 14 is the answer. Now come to fourth part of this question. Here minus 4, first term is given. Then 4 missing terms are there. Then this 6 is the sixth term of this AP. Right? I will write here A is equal to minus 4. Then this term 6 is at 6th place. So A6 is equal to 6. Then AN formula is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 6. It is A plus 5D is equal to 6. I can place here value of A, it is minus 4. So 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. 5D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 5. D is equal to 2. Right? Now what is the second term? Then we can find it in two ways. One of the ways A2, A plus n minus 1 into D, means A plus 2 minus 1 into D. We can use general term to find the term which is at second place, A2, or we can find A2 in this way also, as we did in exercise 5.1. See, A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A is minus 4 plus 2, it is equal to minus 2. Then A3 is equal to A2 plus D, preceding term plus that fixed number which is called common difference, right? Then next one is A2 plus D minus 2 plus 2, it is equal to 0. A4 is A3 plus D, A3 is 0 plus D is 2, then it is equal to 2. Then A5 A5 is equal to A4 plus D. It is 2. A4 plus D is common difference. Plus 2 is equal to 4. And you can check your answer by this way also. See, A6 will be A5 plus D. It means 4 plus 2, 6. And see here, 6 is the sixth term of this series. Right? It means our answer is correct. Now come to the next question. Now in question number 4, an AP is given. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Which term of the AP is 78? See, which term of this AP 78 means the 78 lies at which place of this AP, right? If in the question they are using terms which term, how many terms, number of terms, then they will find n, right? And how we can find here n? A is 3, D is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, and an, the term which is at nth place, and we don't know about this n, right? Here we will find n. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 78. A is 3, and we don't know. D is 5 is equal to 78. N minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78 minus 3. N minus 1 into 5 is equal to 75. N minus 1 is equal to 75.5. N minus 1 is equal to 15. And n is equal to 15 plus 1. It is equal to 16. So the term 78 will lie at 16th place of this AP. Now come to next question. An AP is given. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Now again they are using the term number of terms. It means here we will find n. A is 7, B is 13 minus 7. Right? The term which is at the last place, it is called an. The term which is at nth place, right? Last term an, it is 205, and here we will find n. It is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 205. N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7. N minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7, it is 198. N minus 1 is equal to 198 upon 6. N minus 1 is equal to 33. N is equal to 33 plus 1. N is 34. It means this term 205 is at 30th place of this given AP.